Hello model railroaders, I'm Dave. Welcome back to the layout deconstruction. So starting, I've got the four LED fluorescent equivalent bulbs pulled from the bottom of this section. Whoop, I missed one. I pulled an extra one that I didn't need to pull because there are four bulbs per section. So that means I pulled the bulb from this section that wasn't meant to be pulled yet. So we'll set that down there. And let's come around here and deal with this foam riser just to get it out of the way, because everything from this point down has to be gotten rid of, but this 8-foot riser, 8-foot long riser here has to go too. Now this is just being held in place by one of these ceiling type bolts that you would hang lamps from the ceiling with. So it's threaded for a nut on the one side and then threaded for wood on the other, and that allows this piece to move. Now these foam sections, there's rare earth magnets aligned to lock these together, and I've pulled the joiner piece out. Now this piece here, I should, because it's the way it dovetails in with that left-handed picot turnout, I should, well, I've got that glued on. Okay, so then that means that that one should pull out there like that, and I had magnets holding that one in. I'll try and flip you around so that you can see the other side there. So back down here is the other, or the magnet, and that's the steel plate in that one, or that's the magnet in this one, and that's the steel plate. I can't remember. But feels like a magnet on that one. So now that one's away. This section should just pull out like that. And what should happen now, this one's detached, I can just push this sideways, and as you can see, there's the one magnet that was holding it in place. And if we travel down here, and if I can pull that one out, then that section comes off, and those were the magnets that were providing track power back up to this section. So as if you go back in my video history, I did a whole video on setting this up and doing the magnets. As you can see, there's the magnetic leads there. So if I pull this up, you can see that they're attached, and then if I continue pulling, the magnets come up, and they were just shielded on the one end to prevent any shorts, with them all being tucked up into the the bottom there. So now this piece, I'm going to have to try and see what I can do to shorten it down, or I'm just going to have to pull the track off the top of it, and it'll end up going to scrap, and I'll just have to remake it, pull the magnets out. So we'll see what happens with this piece. But the goal today And there's another joiner to take apart, is to pull back all the way to here to pull all this track off and to detach all of the lighting parts on the bottom so that I can completely dismantle this top section and give me access a lot easier rather than ducking under to pull all the track up on the lower section and then dismantle it. So I'll bring you back once I've gotten some progress done, but that will be another video. So it's just a deconstruction video quickie. So till the next video, I'm Dave. Bye for now.